So here's a work solution for some of the questions on the test. Okay, so let's have a look. Ball is straightened vertically upwards, right? So what do we say? Every time we do a question, first thing we're going to do, we want a diagram. Okay, when we've done a diagram, when they're going to pick the direction we're resolving in. Once we have picked the direction we're resolving in, then we are going to use SUVAT to work out what we've got, and then we will pick an equation and solve. So, ball is thrown vertically in the air with a speed of 16 meters per second from a point 80 meters above the ground. Okay, so we've got someone standing on top of a 80-meter tower, and they launch the ball. That's 80 meters. They launch it at 16 meters per second velocity. We've got to work out A, the speed with which the ball strikes the ground. Okay, so the ball is going up initially, and that speed is the initial speed. So I am going to resolve in the vertical direction. So I have got a diagram, and I have picked my direction and resolved it. Okay, now let's see what I've got. S, U, V, A, T. Okay, so S, I want the speed it strikes the ground. So it's starting from 80 meters in the air, but it's going to finish 80 meters below me. So that means that S is minus 80. U, that's positive, 16, because I'm resolving upwards. V is the thing that I want. Acceleration, well, once it leaves my hand, it's only gravity, so that's going to be minus 9.8 because we're resolving up as our positive direction. Okay, so S, U, V, A. So I've got to work out an equation that's going to give me that. And if I use V squared equals U squared plus 2AS, that means that V is the thing that I don't know. U is 16 plus 2 times minus 9.8 times minus 80. And that means that V is equal to 42.7, or about 43 meters per second. And that is A. Okay, B. Find the total time the ball is more than 85 meters above the ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line. Okay, that is going to be 85 meters. So how do I work that out? Right, so again, I'm going to go back. I've got a diagram. I'm still going to resolve vertically. I still got the same, U. Okay, I'm not worried about V at the moment. A is still minus 9.8 because I'm resolving vertically. T now is the thing that I want. Now S, I'm standing at 80 meters above the ground. This is the line, the border line that I'm looking for. So I'm going to set S as 5 or 5 meters above where the ball is launched from. Now, if you can see, the ball's trajectory is going to cross 85 meters twice. So I need two solutions. So I know that a quadratic will give me two solutions. So when I pick my equation, I need to pick something that will give me a quadratic. So I'm going to pick S equals UT plus half AT squared. Okay, so now I said that S is 5. I said that U is 16. I said that A is minus 9.8, and then we have T squared. So when I do that, I will find that T is equal to 0.35 or 2.91. So now That means that the first time, this one, is after 0.35 seconds. And the time it descends through that line is 2.91 seconds. So how do I find the time that's above it? Well, I just do 2.91 minus 0.35, and that tells me that it is 2.56 seconds. That takes care of B. And that says when the ball strikes the ground, it rebounds at 1/5 of the speed which strikes the ground. Okay, so again, still got the same initial conditions. V is going to be 43. So then when that ball bounces, the initial speed here is going to be equal to the V here. But we have to work out what 1/5 of that is. So I take 1/5 of 42.7, which is 8.54. So now that's going to be my U. Okay, I'm going upwards. Okay, and I want to know the greatest height. Now remember, the greatest height is the point where it's lost all of its energy, all its velocity, and it's just about to start falling. So that means that V is going to be 0. Okay, and then again, A is minus 9.8 because we're going up. All I have to do is work out what S is. So if I use V squared equals U squared plus 2AS, I want my V to be 0. I want my U to be 8.54 squared. And I have 2 times minus 9.8 times S. So that's 4.9. So that means that 4.9 times S is equal to 8.54 squared. And that will give me that S is 3.72 meters. And that is my third part taken care of.